Okay, you two. I still can't really talk that well because my chin hurts, but I wanted to just show you two useful things for surgery if you're having like surgery on your jaw. Okay, so I had this surgery on my jaw, and like I can't really tell you how much it hurt. It's crazy pain, okay? And I was just not expecting it. And my face swelled up a lot, both my lips, and I couldn't eat. Is couldn't put a spoon in my mouth, couldn't suck on straws. You're not supposed to suck on straws anyway. And it's very difficult to drink because when your lips are swollen up and numb, you can't control like the fluid going into your mouth. Okay, so it's very hard. So what I wanted to show you is that this really helped a lot, and nobody really talks about all this stuff like in these videos and even like on Facebook or anything. Nobody just like, hey, here's a picture, I went for surgery, blah blah blah. But gosh, there's like so much stuff that is involved in the recovery, and it's really hard. Like some people, I get it, they probably recover very easy, but gosh, like mine was like lot of swelling, lot of pain, and lot of painkillers. So that's what I wanted to point out. So the first thing I wanted to show is that with my mouth so swollen, I couldn't get any food in there, and my friend said, let's try feeding me like a puppy. Okay, and so the nurses got some syringes and we tried it, and it worked amazing. So I'm going to show you what this is. This is a 60 ml syringe. I think it's called a catheter syringe. It's a very big syringe, and it will suck up pretty much anything like oatmeal, you know, broth, chicken broth, vegetable broth, any kind of liquid, smoothies. It will suck up smoothies, no problem. Then you just put the tip inside your mouth and squirt it in, and you can swallow. So I'm going to put some video of me being fed with the syringe, and you can see how awesome this works. So if you're having FFS and you're having any jaw work, get a bunch of these syringes, okay? Okay. Yeah. Mm-hmm. And the second thing I wanted to show is this is a USB blender. Okay, so if you're having surgery and you're gonna spend time in a hotel, and you know, see, I'm not too sure, like hotel and you bring in a full-size blender, it can be really loud. I found this USB blender on Amazon, and it is so quiet. It's like a, you know, it's pretty much as loud as like a battery-powered toothbrush, okay? And I'm gonna put a clip in. it can slice and dice fruits, no problem. You put water, fruits, turn it on, and it will puree them, no problem. And you can syringe up the smoothie and put it in your mouth, right? And it'll do protein powder. Like, what I found was easy is if you're in the hotel is you order up a fruit plate, okay? And you this is a small, it's tiny. So you see here, it's tiny, fits in the palm of my hand. And it doesn't have a ton of power. So what you do is you cut up whatever you're putting in here, and you make it smaller pieces so it's easier for it to slice up. And there's a way to use this is what you do is, okay, let's see here. So this goes on top. Oh, okay, 1 second. Okay. So this is how it is assembled, okay? And here, I'll press the button. So it's very quiet, and on top there is a little filter if you just want to filter it, like any kind of pulp or anything like that. You can filter it out, or you can take off the top and just pour out whatever you need to pour out. And so it works amazing. And let's see. So I'm gonna put a clip in of this cutting up a bunch of basically a bunch of fruits, and I'm making a smoothie with some protein powder, and it worked so good. I think it was like $30 for this thing. So if you're doing this and you're gonna stay in a hotel and you don't want to bring a big you don't want to bring a big blender with you, and maybe it'll be too noisy, afraid you're going to be kicked out or something, then just bring this thing and it'll fit in your backpack, no problem. Like, look how big this thing is. It's tiny. It's basically as big as the syringe, right? So fit in backpack, no problem, and you can bring it anywhere. It's USB powered, so you just charge it up right there and turn it on off. Don't need a cord or anything, so it works great. And those are 2 things I wanted to show you, and they're very helpful with a swollen mouth. So even if you're getting your wisdom teeth out, right, and maybe you're not doing it near home or something and you're staying in a hotel, definitely get some syringes and a blender, and it'll make life a lot easy. I bet you can even cut up, like, maybe you want to throw in like a vegan burger or something like that, a Beyond Meat burger or something, a little bits of that with some water, and you could drink it, right? You could puree it up and drink it. And that's about it. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. All right, thank you. Very good.